Quick update on the Duramax build. Frame and motor are one now. Try to get a picture of the motor mounts. I just got one bolt in there right now. This side I got both in. There we go, it's a better view. Everything lined up real nice. It's a little tight on the, you can see the steering rack and the intermediate oil pan. Motor's pretty nasty. It's been sitting in a cutaway van for quite some time. Runs great, starts right up. But with these, they're a little different, where they mount the oil filter and the way they do the fuel, which will actually work for me. I'm gonna do a lift pump. Now I still have to do the transmission mount. I just have everything kind of mocked up for the transmission. But currently I'm starting to come up with some ideas for my cross member and everything. This is a better view of the frame without the cab on it. But so far everything's looking pretty good. Waiting on my plasma table to make some brackets for that tank, raise it up a little bit, and a couple of gussets I want to make with the plasma table as soon as it shows, hopefully by end of the month. I think my next move is going to be getting the airbag system all plumbed and up and going so that I can get some wheels on order and tires and get this thing rolling around so it's not on this jig. I got the motor, the body mounts all welded up. When I took the cab off, I just tacked them in place and then welded them up yesterday. Yeah, that's about it. Hit me up if you got any questions. I say in another month I'll be working on the wiring for the engine and everything else. I'm going to go with a standalone system. Right now, just kind of looking at what's out there. Swap Specialties is one that I'm pretty interested in using. They make a harness also for the 4L80, so that'll be able to run standalone by itself also. And they do custom wiring, so you can have outputs. I'm assuming oil pressure, water temp, tranny temp, stuff like that. So, but yeah, I'll be documenting that, going over how I'm going to do it and what I'm going to go with. Thank you.